Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pickled green beans. So we are going to start cutting the green beans. You cut it in half and cut it sideways like this. If you are in America, you use the Italian green beans. Here they call it lubi bedri. Just cut it hack sideways. Okay, and after you cut it like that, you boil it with hot water for 10 minutes. Then you take it out, let it get cold. You see, I already did it here. I boiled it for 10 minutes and it's cold now, so we can pickle it. Here I have fresh walnuts. Usually, if you are going to store it through the winter, it's better to use the dry walnut. But because we are going to eat it next week, so I'm using the fresh walnut, and it's from our land here. Two cups green beans, 1 cup walnut, crushed, and it's good to keep it like crunchy. I'm gonna add red bell pepper, and if you are going to store it for the winter, it's better if you cut the bell pepper, put it on the sun until it's like dry, and then cut it and put it with it. I'm gonna put some crushed garlic, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put some salt, and I'm gonna put crushed pepper, 2. If you feel like you wanna put more garlic, if you wanna put more bell pepper, it's up to you. Okay, this is it. You see how easy? Now I'm gonna put it in the jars. Try to press it a little bit. You don't need too much air inside. And now I'm gonna cover it with olive oil. But I'm not gonna close the jar until tomorrow, because if there is any like water or anything, it will evaporate. And in that time, I know exactly how much oil I have to put more. Just leave it like this with oil overnight. At the second day, if it needs more oil, you put and just cover them. So this is the fresh one that we made today. This one, I made it last week. I just want you to see how they will turn out. I serve it usually, you know, when you are having like meza, drinking, ouzo or beer or any kind of drinking. This is good meza with it. You can eat it just with whatever on the table, or with pita bread. It's so delicious with pita bread. This is our pickled green beans. Try it and let me know. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.